Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect DataForSEO for scalable keyword data extraction, full guide step by step clearly. To connect DataForSEO for scalable keyword data extraction, begin by visiting the DataForSEO website. Create an account if you do not already have one. After registration, log into your DataForSEO account. Navigate to the API documentation section for detailed instructions. Review the available APIs for keyword data extraction. Familiarize yourself with the API endpoints relevant to your needs. Generate your API key from the account dashboard. Store your API key securely, as it will be needed for authentication. Set up your development environment by installing the necessary programming libraries. Choose your preferred programming language to interact with the API, such as Python or PHP. Import the libraries required for making HTTP requests. Begin coding by writing a function to authenticate using your API key. Use the appropriate endpoint URL for retrieving. Build the request structure, ensuring to include parameters such as keywords and location. Send the request and capture the response. Handle the response data to extract useful keyword information. Implement error handling to manage any potential issues during the API call. Store the extracted data in a suitable format, either in a database or as a file. You can streamline the process for scalable data extraction by implementing batch requests. Test the entire flow to ensure all components are working as expected. Once successful, analyze the extracted data to gather insights on keyword performance. Regularly monitor your usage to stay within API limits. Continue refining your process to improve efficiency and data quality. Repeat these steps as necessary for ongoing keyword research. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.